Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can share RSS feeds as message to channel in Rocket Chat automatically. So let us take an example that you are a travel blogger and you are tracking or you are following a travel website which gives you the information about new places, new destinations, new hotels and other travel related activities. Now you want that whenever a new feed is updated on a website, automatically the details of the feed should be shared with your team on Rocket Chat channel as a message. For this, we need to create a connection between RSS by Pabbly and Rocket Chat so that whenever the feed is updated, automatically your team is going to receive a message. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So welcome back to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as RSS to Rocket Chat Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to share the RSS feeds as messages with our team on the Rocket Chat channel. So just open this trigger window and choose the application name as RSS by Pabbly. In the trigger event, we have to select new item in feed. Let's click on Connect. Now here we have to paste the feed URL. Enter the feed URL here. Example, you have to paste the URL in this way. This RSS trigger will check for the updated RSS feed in every 8 hours. So as it is mentioned over here, this RSS trigger is going to run in every 8 hours and it is going to check for the new updates and our workflow is going to run. So here we have to paste the feed URL. For that, I'll just take you to my website. So this is the Zee News website and here we can find their RSS feeds. The feeds available from the Zee News. So here let us select this sports feed from here. I'm just going to copy this URL and we'll be pasting the same URL over here. This is the feed URL. Okay. And when we click on save and send test request, the latest response will be captured over here. The latest feed details. So let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received. Here we can see the title as IPL 2022. The Sri Lanka pacer replaces, I'll just maximize the size. Yes, replaces injured Adam Milne in Chennai Super Kings side. Okay, so we have got the title. And here we have got a link also. Here we have got the author name as Zee News. And here we have got the content. So now we want to share this feed as a new message with our team on the Rocket Chat channel. For that, just come to this action step. Choose the application name as Rocket Chat. Select the action event as Send Channel Message without bot image. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection. Now it is asking for the user ID personal access token. So here let us read the instructions and even the chat URL also required. So I'm going to just read the instructions. You can find the above details by logging to your Rocket Chat account. After login, click on your avatar, My Account, Personal Access Tokens. Enter a name to the token and click Add. A pop-up dialog box will display your user ID and personal access token. Okay, for that I'll just take you to my Rocket Chat account. So this is my Rocket Chat account where I have already created some channels. That is General, Pabbly, Pabbly Connect, Z News. So now I want to share all the feeds as new messages on my Z News channel over here. So I have selected the channel. I have opened the channel over here. Now here we have to just click on Avatar. And here we can find My Account. Click on My Account. And here we can find Personal Access Tokens option. Just click on it. Now here we have to give a name to the Personal Access Token. So I'll just give the name as RSS Feeds. And let's click on Add. Now it is asking me to enter my password. So I'm just going to enter my password over here and click on Verify. Okay, and now I can get my token from here as well as the user ID. So let's copy the token first. Okay, and I'll be pasting the same token over here in Pabbly Connect as my personal access token. And now we need the user ID also. So let us copy the user ID. And we'll be pasting the same over here. Okay. Now here it is asking for the chat URL. It will be your full publicly accessible Rocket Chat URL. For that I'll just take you to my Rocket Chat account once again and I'll just click on OK. And here we can find the URL. So I'm just going to copy the URL and I'll be pasting the same URL over here. Okay. And here in the instruction it is mentioned with HTTPS/ with the trailing slash. So we have entered the trailing slash also. And now let's click on Save. And now the Rocket Chat account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the message, text, channel, bot name and other details. So we have already got these details from our RSS trigger response over here. So we will be mapping these details now. So let's scroll down. Here we are going to map the text. And the text would be the title. And along with the title, I'm just going to map the link also. Okay. Now it is asking for the channel name. So we want to display this particular feed on our Z News channel, which I have already shown you. Okay, I'll just close this window. Yes, our Z News channel. So we have selected the same channel name over here in Pabbly Connect also. Now if you want to specify the bot name and bot icon emoji, and you can just specify it over here. And let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means the message is shared on our Rocket Chat channel. Let's check it. Okay, and here we can see that the feed is shared on our channel, that is Z News. And the feed was IPL 2022. The Sri Lanka pacer replaces injured Adam Lane Chennai Super Kings side. Okay, so we can see that the same feed is shared as a message on our Z News channel. Now let's open this link also. Okay, and here we can see that we are redirected to this particular feed. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. So now as we have created an automation between RSS and Rocket Chat, in this particular workflow is going to run in every 8 hours. Our trigger will be checking for the new update of the RSS feeds, and it is going to send the same feed as a new message on our Rocket Chat channel. And in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So I'll not be able to show you this in the real time just because our trigger will be capturing the response after 8 hours. So let's minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between RSS and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the new feed, and using those details, automatically the same feed was shared as a message with your team on the Rocket Chat channel. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between RSS and Rocket Chat using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.